Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's Marissa again. We are working today on a Kiwi Lane Club kit. So we are now on to March, and let's open March up to see what's inside. Ta-da-da. Ooh, let's stick together. Wow, they're coming out really cute kits, right? I mean, I know this is already a past kit, but still. Oh, they came with a wood veneer too. So let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what is in store for us. Taking this all out, let's stick together, guys. And the first thing is this wood veneer. It's together. It's a little thick. It's about 1/8 of an inch, looks like, in thickness, but I can live with this. And then we have the a la cartes here. We have, looks like a cactus and in a pot. It's a cactus in a pot and also a dart. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. OMG, and they actually came with enamel this time. I know I'm a little late, right? Probably you've seen other instructors do this already. So there you go. Let's see if we can use those for our for our layout. These are the cards. These are the 3x4. No drama llama is the first one, and as usual, I'm gonna go speed through this so we can go to our layout. And then the 4x4s and the 4x6s. Then we move on to the papers. Okay guys, and those are the papers. Let me go and you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a picture that I could use for this. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back. I decided to use these 3 papers here. This here will be the background, and then accents will be this and this. And then I am deciding to use this. I'll probably cut this into maybe a 3x4. And then the I'm not going to use any of the a la cartes that came with the kit, but we'll use the Spook Alley 1B, or you can also use the 1A, they're the same. And then I've decided to also use Banners 3. I may use some of this depending on how I feel about the layout when I'm done. I'm going to put this later if I feel it. Anyway, so let's get started. So I'm going to trace the Spook Alley, and as you guys know, once you trace one side, you basically are tracing the other side too. So that's what I'm going to do here, is trace this and then flip it over, or get the 1A. Let me just look for my 1A because I have it here somewhere, and there it is. Yep, because they do match. So all I need to do now is just put this up there, line it up, just so. And then there's only going to be one cutting. So I'm going to trim this down, make it easier for me as I cut the border down.
So for the banner template, you'll notice that I am lining it up from the bottom, creating or tracing a straight line. And I am now tracing the pointed end of the banner. And I am flipping the banner so that I'll have another pointed end on the other side of the paper. So I'll have two pointy ends to this particular element. And now cutting it and trimming it down with a trimmer. It's now time to cut the pointed ends of this element.
It's now time to ink. So we ink so we can cover those pencil marks. And also to create a definition on each of our elements on the layout. So when we put this down, you know, the elements stand out a bit more. So let's play with this and see how things will be laid down. I'll put this in the center. Then thought process goes this way. And then this way. I'll put my daughter's picture right here. And I am thinking of cutting this down. So since this is a 4x4 and I want to cut it down to a 3x4, I took out a half an inch on one side and another half an inch on the other side. See if it'll fit before we ink it. Oh, okay, I actually like it that way. Okay, so now I'm going to ink it and tack everything down.
You will notice here that I'm putting adhesive on the tips of the border, just so you know it. When we put it in the protector, it won't snag. Doing the same thing on the other side here.
So I am marking it so I know where to lay it on later because, you know, I just want to make sure that it's straight.
It's now time to put the picture and the other element here, the I would call the journaling card. And you'll notice that I laid the journaling card next to the picture as the guide for when I put down the picture, and then now it's the journaling card's turn to be tacked on.
And there you guys go. We're done. I am done with this layout. So you can put your journaling down here, or if you want to add another more title, I'm leaving this alone, and because I will do a project life and I'll have some journaling on the project life. So this is just a, you know, an accent page on the album. So but if you're working with layouts alone, and you can put your title up here, journaling down here, or you can even do it the title on this side, journaling down there. That way it'll even out and balance your page. So I decided to go ahead and add more of the embellishments. So let's see what kind of embellishments we can add here and what color. I think I'll go for this darker shade here. I'll take this big one over here and put it right there. It's not centered. Try to center it. And then I'll have one to go next to its side there. And then another one to go on the other side. I think I'll add the smaller ones over here. Another baby one over here. Here's our layout using the March Kiwi Club kit. And I added some enamel dots over here. I hope you enjoyed watching the process as I put together this layout. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. So that's it for now. I'll catch you guys later. Bye!